YouTube, this is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bring you guys another official video. Yes, guys, this is the infamous wide body kit from my Audi A5. It can be on the RS5, A4. I'm literally making it for every platform. If you have not subscribed to the channel and you do not know about this build, please subscribe now. Watch part 1 and part 5. Also, I have lots of other videos on how I made body kits from the scratch with foam as well as with cardboard. As you guys can see, the kit is looking super amazing. I'm super stoked. I got me a wing, guys. I got a big spoiler. Look at that, guys. So as you can see, got the wing on the kit. I think it just really adds that extra element to the kit. I was looking for something that was kind of like a battle wing, but not too aggressive, but midway aggressive, just kind of right in the middle. And I don't know, guys, look at that. I think it really adds a lot of volume to the kit, right? I think it really just brings out the flares and just kind of makes it look even wider and more aggressive. I can't wait. I might even update the diffuser, guys, but look at that view. Look at that, guys. I don't know. Maybe this should be my screensaver right here. Boom. Yeah. So, guys, awesome, right? As usual, when I'm doing my videos, I show you the car first, right? And then I show you how I got to the point that you see, which is how I created this part of it. Guys, you're sleeping on this build. I'm telling you, this is going to be one of the nastiest builds. Like, share, and subscribe it. Once you see the reveal at the beginning, watch it all the way through. Let's get this kit out there. I'm going to do a raffle on someone that can win a free kit. Once we come down to it, the more comments, the more. I'm going to pick someone who comments and just give someone this kit in general. I will mass produce it. So you'll be able to get this for your car as well. Need to be an Audi A5, B6, B7, B8, B9. I'm going to make it work. I got guys lined up who have different platforms that I'm going to modify this kit to work on. But as you guys can see, this is what I'm looking like, guys. This is kind of the structure of the wing that I wanted. I wanted it to be somewhat of a battle wing. It's going to be mounted to the car from the back. So this is just temporary. It doesn't look perfect. You know how I do things, guys. And this is, I think I'm feeling this. Does anyone have any other ideas on what they think might look good for the kit? So far, I'm feeling it, guys. This is kind of give you another view of it from the back. As you can see, if you look at it from the back, sitting pretty nice, right? Getting those angles in place. I'm really feeling this, guys. What do you guys think, right? Give me your feedback. I made that diffuser too. If you want to know how I made that diffuser, please watch the video. I have tons of videos on how I made things, just to let you know it can be done. So yeah, so far so good, guys. Super stoked. I feel like once I'm done with this, I'm going to add a few more flares to the back, fix up the back a little bit, may redo the diffuser. I'm not sure, to kind of come all the way across. But yeah, I'm really loving the direction of the kit right now. Really loving it, guys. Man, look at that kit. Awesome. Well, guys, like I said, as usual, let's go ahead and look at the progress to this kit. Just want to show you guys this. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace. Here we go. We got Bruce up on the track. All right, guys. So what I'm trying to do right now. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to make a spoiler. In order to have a wide body car, you need somewhat of a battleship spoiler or wing, whatever you want to call it. So right now I'm cutting out the actual parts that the wing or spoiler is going to sit on. And of course I'm going to fiberglass to make a functional wing. But right now, these are going to be the two pieces that I'm going to use. I don't know how high I want it to be, but these are going to be the basis for it. Cool. Okay, guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm making the back parts. I think I'm just gonna go straight up. I'm not gonna do too many angles. And this is gonna be a part that I'm making that's gonna go into the actual, to where I can fit the top part on there without having to put any tape to kind of give it some form of a structure. So that's why I made these two. So I'm gonna go, you get it, cool. All right, guys, so I drew that. So that's gonna be the wing top. It's gonna come this way on the car. It's gonna kind of come this way on the car if you turn it that way. So I'm gonna angle it towards the car. So it's gonna be angled towards the car, and then I'm gonna put the sides on it. As you can see, this is what I was talking about, guys, right here. So I'm gonna put some slits in this. That way this can sit on there. I don't know, it might be a little too high. I might lower a little bit, but right now you have an idea of what I'm talking about. All right, guys, you see how I put these slits in there? This is what I was talking about as far as kind of making it fit so I don't have to do too much taping. So now I'm gonna slide this through these two that I made right here. And that way I can have a good area where the spoiler is gonna sit on, then I can just kind of work on the sides. Kind of like this right here. Let me see if I can do it. Just like that. See that? I just went right in there. Boom. See what I'm saying? So now you said it's sitting on there. So now I have a base for it to sit on. And that was my goal. Cool. Of course I'm gonna have to straighten it, tape it, do something to where it doesn't slide. But pretty solid. All right, guys, as you can see, I have, let me move this tape out the way. As you guys can see, all right, guys, as you guys can see, I have the wing posted up. Get a closer look for you. Have the wing posted up. I like this view right here. This could be my screensaver, I'm not sure. Got the wing posted up. Really big wing. I didn't know if I wanted to be super aggressive or I wanted to kind of flow with the car. Kind of like a battle area where it's higher than the car and it's all the way out. I think I want to kind of keep it proportioned with the vehicle. So if you kind of look, it's kind of proportioned with the vehicle. Now, I am going to make brackets for this wing when I'm done. And I am going to use maybe a sheet metal or just something to kind of make it. But I think I'm going to kind of have this for the fins, and I'm just going to kind of put that like right there. I think that that'll give it somewhat of a more aerodynamic look. So I'm going to put this on there and let me know what you guys think. I'm just going to tape it on there. Like I said, this is making a wing is easy. I mean, as you can see, I kind of bootleg the bracket just for support. Going to be an easy process. I may need to scoot it back a little bit on the car, but so far so good. So it's going to be just like that, and we're going to be ready to rock.